The powers of a vegan diet. The problem is that humans have victimized animals to such a degree that they are not even considered victims. They're not even considered at all. They're nothing. They don't count. They don't matter. They are commodities like TV sets and cell phones. We have actually turned animals into inanimate objects, sandwiches and shoes. Gary Urosky. A plant-based diet can have many health, animal, and environmental impacts. Following a vegan diet could ensure your well-being and sustain the life around you. Firstly, it's important to know that in some cases, this diet provides a better amount of nutrients, leading to a better health. Consuming more vegetables, seeds, nuts, and fruits allows the body to be richer in potassium, magnesium, and vitamins A, C, and E. All of these nutrients support heart, bone, muscles, and brain function. On behalf of this, some research has found that a vegan diet is richer in fiber and lower in cholesterol. This is important as fiber can lower cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar. This is also beneficial for heart health too, as lowering high blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels reduce the risk of heart disease. Another factor to consider this diet is that according to the World Health Organization, one third of all cancers can be prevented with this type of diet. Eating fresh fruits and vegetables may reduce the risk of dying from cancer by up to 50%. Besides, consuming soy products helps prevent breast cancer, and avoiding animal products also helps minimize the risk of prostate and colon cancer. A vegan diet is a wonderful choice for a healthier lifestyle. That is not the only reason to look up this diet. Many animals live in extremely bad conditions before being killed and then marketed to be our food. In dairy products, mother cows are often pregnant by force, and their calves are taken away from their mother immediately after birth, so that the milk for them can be bottled ready for human consumption. On the other hand, most modern agriculture usually keeps cows, pigs, chickens, turkeys, ducks, and other animals in barn, cage, crates, or shells, where they are often unable to move freely, see sunlight, or even feel the grass. These living beings who can breathe and feel are subjected to violent conditions such as being electrocuted, abused, and cut into pieces, just so we can have a plate of meat in front of us. According to research done through a vegan calculator, this actually exists. It has been demonstrated that one person going vegan for just 1 month can save the lives of 30 animals. That's effectively one animal a day that can be saved from that cruel fate, simple by going vegan. The power to save our animals from being destroyed is in our hands. Thirdly, a vegan diet is probably the single biggest way to reduce your impact on planet Earth. Joseph Poor, University of Oxford. The production of meat leads to more land for livestock. According to reports from the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, the livestock sector generates more greenhouses, 80% more than the transport sectors. Deforestation will also be necessary, leading to increased carbon emissions, loss of biodiversity, and growth of livestock production, which will raise methane levels. On the other hand, animal agriculture also requires an enormous waste of water. It takes approximately 100 liters of water to produce a beef burger, but only 167 liters to produce a tofu-based equivalent. Dairy products have also been said to be the most environmental damaging compared to a vegan alternative in terms of carbon emissions, water use, and land use. A common concern in a vegan diet is not getting enough vitamins B12. This is because vitamin 12 helps prevent nerve damage, maintain blood cells, and aids in making the genetic material present in all cells. This vitamin is found in meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products, but is not found in fruits or vegetables. The unknown is that it's easy to get this minuscule amount of B12 we need through nutritional yeast or fortified foods, such as plant milk, says Marco Springman, Senior Research Fellow in Environmental Sustainability and Public Health at the University of Oxford. B12, or nutrient deficiency, should not be an obstacle to a vegan diet, as there are many ways to meet these needs of the body and make this diet a very healthy and health positive one. Taking everything into account, the decision to follow a vegan diet for our health, animals, and the environmental is up to us. The benefits for our health are numerous. How we will protect our animals are extraordinary, and the conservation of our environment are enough reasons to realize that this diet is a resource to have more human life with our surroundings. Are you going to refuse to try a vegan diet out of fear?